In the last video, I claimed that I could make a book in less than 5 minutes, a book that was making sales, and a book that was, not oversaturated in the slightest, very low competition. I said it was easy and I could make it in 5 minutes. In this video, I put that theory to the test. Now, a quick word of apology. I didn't realise the webcam was on, so I might be looking a bit gormless. And there might be a little bit more light. I didn't draw the blinds, so you can see the light coming in through the window behind us. It might affect the visual quality, but it's fine. And as a reminder, this is the book I was talking about. It's a pat testing book, as you can see there, #1 bestseller in stereo and audio equipment, but still a bestseller tag. And it's simple. It's just 2 tables, really, holding a lot of information. But these books are selling well, and they're not overly saturated. So the first thing to do is to pull out a quick table tool. I want it to be 4 rows and 4 columns. I'll just change the height of the columns. Sorry, the height of the cells. I want it to be roughly 8 mil. And while I'm here, I'll also change the thickness of the lines. And then I'm going to copy this and drag it down. And I want 22. Again, I'll just extend that. Perfect, that's already 0.5. So I need 10 columns. So we're 4 there. Nine, 10. Jumping all over the place. Shrink you down. Shrink you in. So that's the basic 2 tables we're going to have. This is going to be for test data and test dates and who did it and things like that. And this is going to be the main bulk of the logbook. Let's see if there's not a shortcut key for this. There might be, but I don't know what it is. And that one there. So I'll just format how I want the text to look in terms of positioning. And now we'll add the headers. So the first one is test equipment used, then test date, reset date, class. I need another one, made an error. I'll just shrink that back in. And then this one is going to be company details. Notes. And again, I'll just want to format these. There we go. Come on, fingers. Now these columns do look a bit tight, but I will do a little bit of rearranging. Oops. Oh, that's unusual. Never mind, I'll sort that out later on. I'm trying to do a capital A in brackets, but it's just turned into an @ sign. So that's it. That is the basic book as is. There are a few changes I want to make, but that's got to be under the 5 minutes. I haven't got a timer running, but I'll find out when I edit it. It's not that. To number 10. And then here, you want to kind of rearrange the size of the columns just to make them more space for the person to write in. So I think that the serial number and the make and model need to be a bit bigger. These can all be shrunk down. And that's it. That's the book made. Again, there are a couple of things we can do. We can change the header colour. Change the filter. Grey. So that's the book made. So you can titivate it all you want, but it was really simple to make just two tables really. One thing I think I would do if I was going to make this book is to, instead of have it like this vertically on the page, I would do it horizontally, just because there's a lot of information there and it looks really tight and squished. But if we do it like this, then you get the same. It's the same amount of columns to write, and there's still 20 entries per page, but you get more space to put all this information in. And that's it. Quick video. Hopefully it didn't take more than 5 minutes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.